it's the next day, and I've done the second food bank haul. So let me show you what I'm out of breath. I went to the food bank, and I went to leave, and my battery was dead. Thank goodness. This last year, I've gifted myself a good roadside assistance, membership. If you want to know, ask me in the comments. I'm not gonna they're not like sponsors or anything, but I think they're better than the one I had before, which I won't mention, which I wasn't happy with. Anyway, my van would not start. I had to call them. The first estimate was 45 to 75 minutes, but he showed up in like 15, which was great. Jumped my van, got me back on the road, so I'm very grateful for that, because that was like, good thing it's winter, I've got all this cold food. Anyway, let me show you what I got. Okay, bag number 1. Apparently they got an abundance of this gluten-free bread. So, rolls, bread. I won't have to worry about bread for a while. More rolls. So that's this bag. There's actually more bread in the other one. I got tofurkey, barbecue tofurkey, chicken, fake chicken. I got a couple of burritos, which I think I'm going to have one for dinner tonight instead of the stir fry I was going to make. Yes, because I'm tired. When I'm tired, I don't want to cook. So I got yogurts. So I got 2 of these burritos. Here. And yogurts. And let's see. Broccoli slaw. I got, this is organic chai latte. Ooh, that looks good. And butternuts. Oh, that's a recipe. I was like, what? It's coconut milk. And let's see what the date is. Oh, needs to be used up. So that'll be my next meal. Frozen veggies. More frozen veggies. And the meat for the dogs. I'll put it over here because I need to put it in a bag. That's that bag. And then this bag, there's more rolls, more bread. It's frozen, that's why it suds like that. Tortillas. This little juice, cold pressed juice, some yams, some more ramen kit, but it's the veggies. Oh, it's got ramen broth and noodles also, but this in a separate package, so I'll take those out. Some green beans, raspberries, Brussels sprouts, bananas, little tortilla strips. And some pistachios. Woo! That's a, and I'm dropping things all over the floor. At least it didn't bust open. And then I got, it says corn masa. So I can make some corn stuff, something. So a few mushrooms and a bunch of oranges and some coffee pods, espresso pod things that I'm gonna save for van life, camping. So that is my second food bank haul for the week. And she said they had abundance of this bread and she kept giving me more, and I finally had to tell her I don't have any more room in my freezer. So, yeah. So I gotta put all of this away. That's it. Had a long day today. Appointments, and well, this was an appointment too. And got stuck in my van, so I'm gonna put this food away, heat up a burrito, and call it a night.